is going on, my YouTube friends? Man, I hope you guys had a great Christmas and a happy new year and hugged your family and ate and drank or whatever it is you do. Yeah, buddy, hit the 10 millimeter, however it goes. It don't make a difference. But anyhow, so we're out in the garage. I worked last week. I meant to be out here to work on the Fairmont, but you can't pass up the holiday money. Just can't do it. I'm sorry. So I had to work. I put like 55, 60 hours in. Boy, what a good week. But anyhow, not that it was all that hard though either. But hardest part was getting up and going and staying there. But anyhow, I ordered the electric water pump, 50 gallons per minute from Frostbite, which is Holly. And we'll see how that works out. Yeah, so you get the whole kit and everything like that. It's like $370, not bad. You know, the Missouri, they wanted what, $570. So I just took the 5 gallons per minute loss and went with the Frostbite. But yeah, 50 gallons should be good. Should be good. But anyhow, so yeah, I got some things going on here. I had to check out the harmonic balancer, which I'll explain all that once I turn the camera around. So I got to order a flywheel, and there's just some things I got to get. So a couple things I ordered, and once they come in and stuff like that, I'll do an unboxing and show you guys what we got. You know, as you can see, I got the wiring harness out on the Fairmont. I got the dash and everything in there, and inside there, I got to get it all put on. So we're gonna start moving forward with this Fairmont here. I'm at the hall 2 days a week, so I'm on days there, so I can work on it after I get out of there. When I'm on afternoons, I'm not sure what I'm going to be doing, if I'll be working on this or if I'm going to start going over to the yard. We'll see what happens. I haven't been over there. I need to get over there and do something, you know what I mean? But anyhow, this ain't about the yard. Let's turn this thing around. Alrighty, like I said, I ordered the water pump, so I got to check this out and make sure that I'm in the right rotation. So when I get the water pump here, we will look more into this and see exactly what I got. So let me explain what's going on here. Okay, so this is the reverse dial right here. And then this one right here I have is the standard. So, I mean, if you look, you can see the difference. You know, so basically that's what's going on here right now. So waiting to get the pump and everything like that, and then we'll go ahead and we'll install it. I keep this up just in case, you know, get it going. The harmonic balancer, I am checking that so to make sure that I'm putting the right flywheel on this. So I got the part number off of that, so we'll know, you know, exactly what size harmonic balancer is. What I mean by, you know, is it a 26 ounce or 28 or whatever it may be. So I'm checking all that stuff out before we do anything. And to be honest with you, I wanted to take this and have it dynoed. But man, for $700, I think I'll just wait till I install it in the car and find out. You know, because it'd be kind of neat to know exactly what horsepower and everything, make sure everything's, you know, in good working order before I put it in the car. But for $700, I'll install it in the car first, you know. Either that or put it on an engine stand somewhere where I can start it up, one of the two, which really not a big deal. If they ain't stole it, I should have one over at the yard. But yeah, so I mean, I'm just kind of letting you know what's going on right now. I'm getting into it, guys. I'm getting into it. And this stuff is so much more expensive than what I used to pay back in the day. Yeah, I mean, it's just ridiculous, but it's all gonna be worth it in the end, right? It's not how much you pay, it's how much fun you had. So we're working on things in here and getting her done. Yeah, buddy, we gotta get her done, you know what I mean? So anyhow, we're gonna start working on this. Once I start getting the parts and everything in here, I figure exactly what my time's gonna be at the yard, at work, at the hall. I just gotta make sure, find out what everything's going on so we can move forward, man. I mean, I got the dash and everything. I got all that. I still got to paint it and stuff like that. So, I mean, there's still a lot of things I got to do. It's not like we're just going to put this thing together, you know. Either that or just put it together like it is, make it look like a mutt. You know what I mean? Yeah, buddy. But yeah, as you can see, I got to wait for the water pump and it to come in here. A lot of people say, you know, the reverse or the standard or whatever. You know, some came in Mustangs, some came in trucks. Let me tell you something. Ford used whatever they had in their hand at the time and they put it on. They didn't care. They just put whatever and then they matched the parts. If they ran out of something, they used something else. It's just the way Ford does. So you just got to make sure that you're putting it together right when you're going along, when you're doing aftermarket stuff. So you want to make sure you got the right rotation and everything for the water to flow. You know what I'm saying? So, and we're going to get her done. Yeah, buddy. So let me get this turned around here and we'll show you what's going on inside the Fairmont. And I'll bring you right back. I got the wiring harness laid across the back. I got to check all the ends and everything, make sure everything's good and tight, and secure and taped up right. And then I got the dash right there, which I need to get that painted and the frame, everything's in the dash. And do all this. Yeah, buddy. So yeah, definitely a junk holder for now. So anyhow, I just want to show you what's going on inside here. We already got the sound deadener in there. We got the mat up there on the firewall, and so it's all coming together. I just got to get back to work on it and start doing it. That's all. That's the hard part, is getting the time. You know, I'm going to take the power brake booster out of there. I'm going to go manual brakes, you know, because I don't know what kind of vacuum that engine will be pushing, and more likely I won't be running no manual brake or power brakes on it. But we got all that. I just still got to, you know, get all the adjustments and stuff out of that. Maybe I'll set the fenders on it and get the front end straightened out before I do anything. I got to order a couple wheels too. Yeah, buddy. So anyhow, guys, gals, we're working on it. We're trying to get things done here, and I'm getting some stuff ordered up. And I'm going to get a new flywheel on that. Right now, I'm not sure exactly what bell housing I'm going to have, so I got to be careful on ordering a flywheel right now until I find out if I got the bigger bell housing or smaller bell housing, because, you know, you got 164 teeth and you got 154 teeth, so it's a different size in the flywheel. But as far as balancing and stuff goes, it should all be the same ounce. You know what I mean? So let me turn this around. It's been a while since I made a video, so I just wanted to give you guys kind of an update what's been going on in Mr. Mach 1's garage, and see what we're going to be doing to move forward. So I figured I'd give you a little video and let you know what's happening. And I appreciate each and every one of you for watching it. New subscribers, old subscribers, you guys are awesome. I don't care what anybody says. And if anybody tells you any different, you tell them come see me and I'll tell them you're awesome. Have a great rest of your day, night, whatever. And let's make this a prosperous year and get the Fairmont done. Yeah, buddy.